Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to insert the SIM on one of these Samsung A series devices. Alright, so this is exactly the a04e. Alright, so it doesn't really matter as long as it's a series, the procedure is the same. Alright, so in order to get the SIM tray out, you're gonna get your SIM tool that's included in the box of your device. You can find it inside of the stuff that came with your phone. So you're gonna go ahead and find this tool. This is an eject tool. If you cannot find it, you can go ahead and get a paper clip. It works just the same, or you can find a old box that contains one of these. All right, you're gonna need your SIM card. So for example, here I have a SIM card. All right, and you must know the size of your SIM. So go ahead and eject your SIM card. So you're gonna use the tool. You're gonna find the SIM tray. So it's usually along one of the sides. It can be at the top, it can even be at the bottom, depending on the series. As for this particular device, it's towards the left side, right here. And as you can see, there you go. So it's right there. And to eject the SIM tray, go ahead and place it into this very small hole that's right here. Now do not place it in at an angle, make sure it is flat, so as flat as possible, and you're gonna push down. All right, so you're gonna push straight down and the tray should eject upwards. So go ahead and shove it in and keep it horizontal. All right, do not bend or flex. All right, the tray is gonna pop up. Remember, these things are usually plastic. So you're gonna remove the tray, and here you go. This one is particularly long, and in here we have several slots. There's one, which is the first one here, which is for the memory card, and usually you can identify the one for the memory card, and they're usually labeled. If you look right here, it should indicate by the design what it's for. So we see that this is a dual SIM. It can hold 2 SIM cards and it can hold a memory card. All right, so if you have a micro SD card, you'll place your micro SD card right here. You can tell based on the way it's turned down. And then for these two here, you can actually have the SIM card. All right, and you can know it's a SIM card because the SIM card will have the side that is cut off right here, which is this corner. All right, so we know 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our SIM card. Now these cards can be broken down. So for example here, this one can be broken down into a smaller one. So all I did was to find the appropriate size. You can also reassemble it by snapping it back into place. So there's the larger size and the very small size. All right, or even smaller than this one. There is even a very, very small one. So you can test to see which one is gonna work. So in this case, we know that this one is too big, so we're gonna break this down even further. So we're gonna get 3 sizes from this. So we have broken it down to the very smallest size, so smaller than this one. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna orient the SIM according to the tab. So the tab that's cut off here means that this is gonna be face down on this side. So the tab should be on this side. So I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna snap it into place. All right, there you go. It fits perfectly into place. All right, so you can notice the tab on this side with the cutoff that matches. All right, there you go. I have some information on this SIM that I don't want to show. So all right, so as soon as we do that, the next thing we're gonna do is to secure the SIM in place. You can see it right here. All right, it's very easy to jump out of place. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna hold it, then we're gonna find the tray, we're gonna keep it flat. All right, I'm gonna slide it in. All right, sometimes too as well, you gotta watch out for the wrong orientation. Make sure this hole aligns with the hole on your device in case it's turned upside down. So let's see, it was turned upside down, so we're gonna turn it around. All right, and we know it's correct because the pinhole is on the same side right here. So we're gonna slide that in. And once we slide that in with the pinhole here, with the pinhole that's on the phone itself. All right, so we can wake up the phone. We're gonna unlock. All right, so we know it's connected because one, we see a signal right here. And if I swipe down over here, you'll see the carrier name over here in the system tray over here, the notifications. All right, so we're connected up and you can start making calls. All right, so that's the end of the tutorial. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.